Hello everyone, and I hope you're ready to have some fun, do a little painting. Nothing like a good day of painting. What did I get on that canvas right here? Look. Okay, sorry, noticed a goober on the canvas. All right, you will notice that my 18 by 24 canvas has been pre-painted around some of the edges. We're going to try a wave pour again. Haven't done one in a couple months. My last one came out so incredibly beautiful. We're going to play it again. So I have pre-painted where I know that the blue colors are going to be mainly predominant. I'm going to be flooding white in this section up here, and the edges will get coated with the white when I do that. So let's go through some of the colors that are here. There's a lot of different things here. I mixed up these paints. I had a batch of little leftover, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, so that we're going to probably throw in because I can. And it sounds like it'll be fun. So let's go through some colors. So we're going to start off with Creative Impressions. This is Payne's Gray. This is that US Art Supply paints that I'm working on. These are my new paints I'm trying out. This is called Magic Aqua Violet Iridescent. I thought that would be really cool to put in. Our next color is Liquitex Basics, and this is Turquoise Blue. Our next color is Liquitex Basics in Pthalo Blue, and this is the color that is painted around the outside edge. Next we have US Art Supply, and this is the Blue to Gold Iridescent. So that's going to give us some nice gold shimmer in our blue. Next I decided to be crazy and add a non-blue color. This is Liquitex Basics in Prism Violet. And just to be fun, since I was putting some purple in, this is US Art Supply's Violet Interference Pearl. So that pearl is going to have a violet shift to it. So you can't really see it now, but when it dries, it's going to give us that little violet sparkle. The base coat that we're going to put up here in this area is, of course, our Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in white. And then I don't have the bottles for any of these, and I'm guessing it's some of them, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. In my little cups here, these are just some leftovers from other pours. This is Grumbacher Prussian Blue. This one is Art Minds Brushed Metallic Aquamarine, if I remember correctly. I may be wrong, but I think that's what that is. This I know is definitely the Folk Art Metallic Ice Blue, one of my favorites. This one is Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. Like I said, I just have little teeny bits, but I don't need a lot. Then I have some Deco Art Americana Decor Metallic 24 karat gold, always a staple around here. And I have a little bit of Arteza Titanium White, which might get put in. So we'll see. They'll get put in or they won't, but we'll have some fun. All right. So I'm thinking of trying sort of a double wave. So having a small wave here at the front and then a big wave here at the back. Don't know if that's going to work, but we're going to give it a try. So let's start putting some paint down. Now if you want to fast forward, this is the place to fast forward, guys, because it's going to take me a minute to put this white down. We only really want the white in this area here where we're not really going to put a lot of paint. And we want to make sure this is a really nice coat because we're not going to be blowing paint in those areas. Very important that everything gets paint on it in a nice even coat. And I can always, at the end, I'll probably retouch up those edges a bit. And I'm going to get my torch, so I see a bunch of air bubbles in this white. Okay, let's start putting our colors on. Like I said, we're going to try and a big wave, and I want to try and put like a little wave right here. So we're going to start with our darker colors down here at the bottom. I'm not worried that any one color is not going to give me a whole lot because there is a lot of paint here. I want to do. Don't think I'm going to use the titanium white, but I am going to take and put a little more Artist Loft white into this curve here and over in here. Seriously dry canvas messing things up here, so I don't really get enough up here, but I'm not really worried because this is going to blow up that way. All right, I almost think I have too much up here. What I may do is use my finger to sort of encourage it up that way a bit. Fix it a little before I blow it. All right, we'll see. That may get blown bigger than I thought. Bigger than I was thinking. All right. What the heck? Let's go for it. This is gonna get noisy and messy. Whoa. All right, we're gonna need to do a little fixing here. Oh my goodness. This has so much selling in it. I just wanna blow it back a little to give it a little more definition. Drag a stick in here a minute just to sort of pull some colors up a bit. There's beautiful cells coming up here. I have to fix this spot right here. Hold on. I hit it with the hairdryer I was watching in properly and I bashed it down in there. We're just gonna fix it a bit. All right. Oh my goodness, this is just like Cell City right in here. There's just this whole bank of cells. Not happy over there. I'm gonna have to powder with it. Get my little corrector stick here. You don't like something, it's fixable. Just scooch it off. A little more Payne in that spot. Get your finger in there and take out the part you don't like. Just want to break up those edges so they look more splashy and less just sitting there. Something bad up here. Oh, there are some beautiful cells all in here. And they're really hard to see because they're so dark, but oh, so pretty. Loving the violet. It really went crazy in here. Really want more definition in here. I'm not sure how to get it without messing things up. But I'm not totally unhappy. It's sort of very pretty. I just want to give that wave a little more definition. I don't mind that it's sort of messy in here where the waves are sort of crashing into each other. Oh, it's so pretty. Just need to play a little more. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm going to stop messing with it because I'm bound to mess something up if I keep going. I am not unhappy. There are some absolutely gorgeous things in this painting. All right, let me clean up my edges a bit and then I'll bring you down for a look. Hold on. Okay, I've cleaned up my edges a bit. I still need to take the torch to it, but let me show you this real quick. This is our small first wave. I love the blend of colors and look at the cells and stuff that formed in it as it came up down at this end. Just so cute. Sorry for the glare, but if I don't have the glare, I don't have enough light. Look at all these cells down here. Just crazy. We come over. It's just this big blank of cells. Cells everywhere. And that purple, violet, really went crazy. That's that Prism Violet mixed with some of the other colors. Just going crazy. This is that corner I had to fix because I hit it with the hairdryer. And look what it did. Just went crazy. And we're going up here. Look at this bank of cells. Just so pretty. And over here on this edge. Go up to this top corner. And go into our main wave. Just beautiful. Look at the cells that are coming up there. I still need to torch this. Every time I look, there's something else that's popped up. So we're gonna let this, I'm gonna torch it, I'm gonna let it dry, I'm gonna take some pictures, move it over to the dry table, and I'll add some pictures at the end of this. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, here it is, all nice and dry, and I'm so excited about how this one turned out. If you go over to the low wave, this is the one I think is just super. That ice blue just sort of went crazy in here and gave cells and swirls and bubble feel like the frothing of the wave. And then in here, in that little crack that didn't want to, kept closing up, the blues just sort of made this lovely swirling like the water is churning in there. So that came out really cool. And we come over here and it looks like more froth on the top of the waves. And that again is that ice blue that just celled up like crazy with the beautiful swirls of the violet. And I love how the violet up here came out also. Then we come over here to the corner. We go up the wave, and you can see the wave sort of churning off on the sides. Again, we've got some more of that ice blue. We come up to the top of the wave. This is so pretty here. I don't know if you can see the interference violet up here at the top, but up in here, it has that purple violet-y tone sometimes, and at other angles, it's blue because of that interference on top of the ice blue. But I'm just loving the way this dried. So pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Thanks.